Gotta get all up in now. I need to get some seasoning in these pockets here. That's what I want. There we go. All right, so we got the beer for our Man of Steel beer can chicken. We're gonna smoke this chicken. I'm using Steel Reserve, some of the most potent beer out there, 8% alcohol. Anyway, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna split this up. We're gonna get about 12 ounces in there. You gotta make sure you don't get them suds. And we're gonna use this as like the baster right here. This is also gonna be a baster. I think that's about 12. Let's see. It's a little bit more. All right, cool. So we got that. All right, with the rest of this beer here, we're just gonna go ahead and add some spices to it. That's just gonna create some steam for this chicken. It's gonna put a little of this paprika. There we go. Red peppers. Get all that in now. Hold on, let me get this out. There we go. Get all that in now. Chili powder. I'm not measuring this because I'm just using it for steam. I'm gonna get some garlic in there. We gotta get all that in this can. Man. Normally you just cut this can open. Woo. That's nasty. See that, guys? I guess that acid from the garlic caused an explosion. That's cool though. All right, so we got all that in now. Put some butter in there. We gotta get that butter in there too. So let's get all this in there. We got all this. It's almost like a soup, a beer soup. I'm gonna be honest with you. This is my recipe. This not nobody else's recipe. Let me get all this butter in there. It doesn't matter if it get all over the place. Then you can cut the can open and do it that way, but I'm not using a beer can holder, so I'm gonna use this. I'm not even worrying about cleaning up the can. We'll clean up this mess though. All right. We got our ingredients mixing all up. I got some beer on the side as well. And with this beer on the side, I'm just gonna use this as like a little basting. Add a little garlic to that. Get all that mixed up. And that's just gonna keep the chicken from drying out. Just the base, that's all it is. This is gonna be crazy with some lemon juice. Get all that mixed up. All right. Let's get this in the spray bottle. And look at that stuff. All right, okay. All right, let's get this bad boy capped off. And I'm just gonna get it over this can. Oh man, this can is pretty weak. Man is still chicken. Man is still chicken. Man. Now you normally use the chicken holder, beer can holder, but I decided to get a 24-ounce thing of beer. And you're just gonna set that bad boy on. And you're gonna let it cook. Ooh, man. You guys can hear that. That sounds pretty good. And we're gonna put this lemon in this bad boy. There you go. All right, we're gonna be back in about 2 hours. I'm gonna go ahead and put a thermometer in. I need to get this up to 170. 170, and she's ready to roll. Let me make sure that skin. Anyway, it smells good. All right, guys, we'll be back. All right, let's check this bad boy out. Oh man, that's what I'm talking about. Look at that chicken. Look at that angle. That looks good, guys. We're almost there. All right, guys, so we got the Minced beer can chicken. We're gonna take this thing off the grill right quick. This bad boy is hot, so we're gonna try to get this thing off. I'm gonna try to get it off without hurting myself. Let's see what I got here. Oh man, all right, look at that. Get a shot of that. Let's turn this thing around. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and just baste it with some barbecue sauce. Just letting it just. We're not trying to soak it. We're just slapping it on. Just to get like a little crust on it from the barbecue sauce and the sugar. And that looks good. I tell you what, it smells good. We hoping this thing. This is my first time doing one of these. This thing looks good. It smells good too. I tell you what, that seasoning that I use, that chicken and pork seasoning. That seasoning is sweet, savory. I use some apple wood and some pecan wood on this, so let's hope this. So that's pretty much it as far as the barbecue sauce. So we're going. You just want to get just enough on now. And we're gonna take. I'm gonna take this off. All right, so get this out the way. All right, so here's the hard part. The hard part is getting it off of this can, this beer can. So I'm trying to get it off without burning myself and without making a mess. So let's see what we can do. Man, this actually almost like it's glued on there. Oh man, woo, that baby's hot. That stuff smells good. That beer smells good. I'm gonna put a little bit more on them. Just to get some sauce on there. You really don't need any sauce on this. This thing is seasoned real good. But I'm just adding a little bit to it. All right, so we're gonna cut this bad boy open. And we hoping it's done. All right. Oh man, that's a nice chicken breast. Whew. You talking about juicy, guys. I can't even get it off the bone. Man, that's a bone right there. There we go. Now we talking. This thing is done. We're gonna get this, get some of this. Ooh wee! That's good. That looks good. I'll show you guys. That's good meat. I just wanted to test that out. Get that right there. Look at that. Man. Get the juice on that bad boy. How juicy that is. That is done, guys. Don't worry about the bone. That's gristle. I'm gonna cut that chest cavity open. Get a picture of that. Look at that. Let's cook. When I tell you this is hot, this thing looks good. Feel like white meat. It's perfect. That's how you cut chicken. That's how you cut some chicken. Anyway, guys, I just want to show you guys, goodness. That skin is good too. Let's cut a nice slice off. Look at that. You guys, you getting that? Look at that. When I tell you guys this is hot, this is hot. I think this is at 170 degrees. But anyway, that's it. This is my Man of Steel barbecue chicken. I'm gonna go ahead and make a better presentation, but I just want to show you guys. This is my first time. Get a shot of this can. Steel Reserve. That's what we're using. The Steel Reserve. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more. Look at that chicken. I'm talking juicy. We got some of that chicken skin. And we also topped it off with some nice spinach, cream of spinach pasta. When I tell you this is good. I've tried the chicken earlier. I just want to turn this around. This is good. This is what you do when you practice. Practice does make perfect. And when I tell you this chicken is so juicy and good, and the flavor from that Steel Reserve beer